Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to do a Schrader valve replacement on a 2002 Chevy Avalanche. It has a slow leak out of the low side port, and also I'll be replacing a low pressure AC switch. Neither job is really hard to do. You really just need to get the tools ahead of time. Make sure you have everything ready. The first tools I want to go over were these. They're Schrader valve removal tools inline, so where you can actually turn off the pressure while you're working on it and remove the Schrader valve without having to release all the AC refrigerant. Take off the cap. Make sure you kind of got that set up in there. It's right on there on the tube. Down so you get hooked in there real well. You know when you got it loose, this will come back out. Turn off the air. The video turned off at some point while I was trying to get this out. I had a little bit of a problem, ended up having to mess with it a little bit. I have the gas turned off right now. Unscrewing this portion to try to take out the Schrader valve. And there it is. There's the bad Schrader valve. No loss of gas so far. Recommend having your other one ready. Mine's right here. I'm going to put the new one inside the tool. I'll use it just in case it falls. Screw back on. Put that on there real well. Locking that up. Let's see what's that. Got that going back in there, all the way down, and reverse what we did to take that out. Should go until it's tight. That is tight right there. Fingers crossed we did everything right. It's not going to come flying back out. Release the quick release, and we just exchanged the Schrader valve. This is brand new Schrader valve in there. Everything's good. So basically, Amazon, you can pick up these kits. You'll get a high side, a low side. A lot of them come with Schrader valves too. I just purchased them myself, so I don't gotta buy whatever cheap ones they get. Most cars either use this Schrader valve here or the tinier one here. Car I just changed, 2002 Chevy Avalanche 2500, uses these ones. If you liked this video and found it helpful, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos coming out soon. Have a great day.